Cadaris Grendel served as an Astartes of the Iron Warriors during the Horus Heresy and Era Indomitus. Serving within the 16th Company of the 2nd Grand Battalion, under the command of Warsmith Berossus, Cadaris would earn favor during many battles of the Horus Heresy, such as the Battle of Phal and Battle of the Lionsgate Spaceport during the Siege of Terra. Surviving the war against the Imperium, Grendel and his company would retreat into the Eye of Terror and aid in the establishment of the new 4th Legion base of operations, Medringard. Embroiled in a dispute between Berossus and Warsmith Honshu, the now Captain of Arms would watch his commander be torn apart by the possessed bodyguard of Honshu, Onyx. Crushing Berossus's exposed skull beneath his boot, Warsmith Honshu would offer Grendel a place in his army. Initially disgusted with the prospect of serving a half-breed Astartes, Grendel would relent in light of his circumstance bereft of his ancient overlord. Ascending to the position as an advisor to Honshu, Grendel would serve his new master well. Slaying several champions of chaos during the tournament of the Skull Harvest, Grendel would feign defecting to the warband of Pashtog Ulliant and allow for an ambush by Honshu. Claiming victory over the Skull Harvest, Honshu would depart New Badab with the tournament's spoils of a fleet of warships gifted by the Blood Reaver, Huron Blackheart. Present during the fleet engagement against the Starfort, Indomitable, Grendel would be disfigured by a blast of an inquisitorial agent wielding an Inferno pistol. Recovering from his wounds following the capture of the Starfort, Grendel would join his warband once more in their venture to the planet of Calth. Enacting the invasion of Ultramar, the warband of the Bloodborne would resolve to destroy the venerable tomb of the hero of Calth, Remus Ventanus. Confronting the ultramarine captain of the 4th Company, Uriel Ventress, Grendel would incinerate many Astartes of Pausanias Lycaene's squad before being struck by the renegade Raven Guard Astartes, Ardarak Varnes. Slain by the hand of the former Shadow Captain, Grendel's millennia of battle would leave only a legacy of subservience to tyrants of iron.